Okay, right. So what you're gonna do now for me, please? You've got yeah, just click later. Click later.
Okay.
Okay, and what I want you to do, I just want you to click on the X's of all of those that are open, apart from one, and just leave one open. Yeah, make that one big enough for me, please. Now, click on the X where you see the money, where you see symbol, bottom left-hand side. To the left, move to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, down, 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 down. That's it. Now up, 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 to the left now. To the left where you see the X, and click on the X there. And then click on the X again below the cursor, go down. Yeah, to the left, now to the left, X, yeah, that's it. And then click on those X's as well, where you see it, navigator X, yeah. And then click on the next X there again. And then click on the X up there again. Excellent. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna right click on the chart. And then we're gonna go to, then we're gonna go to indicator list. When you go to indicator list, I want to check MACD, just click on MACD. And then click delete. Okay, and then you're gonna click on the X now, or close, anyone. Then I want you to right click on the chart. And then I want you to go to properties. Scroll down to properties. And then you're gonna go to candlesticks, because we use candlesticks. We don't really use the bars. And then we're gonna go to show. Up, 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 show. And then we want the bid price. We want show quick trading button, yeah. And we also, leave that one. Yeah. We don't want the grid lines. Uncheck grid lines. Okay, and then what I want you to go to colors now. And then you're gonna change the background. I want the background to change it to white for now. Because for some reason the white actually were, well, no, not mint cream, white.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, scroll down all the way. Yeah, that's it. That's white. And then we're gonna put the grid lines, the foreground. Now put the foreground now as black. So click on the drop down for foreground, and then put that as black. And then we're gonna have bar up. Now bar up will be green. And then bar down will be red. And then bull candle, because it's going up, is going to be green. And then bear candle is going to be red. And then we're just going to leave everything else as it is. Okay, click OK. Right, so that's what we've got there. Now, what we're going to do now today, because we're going to be doing supply, we're going to learn how to draw supply and demand zones, okay? And we're going to be talking about supply and demand zones, because that's what today's lesson is about. But one of the beauty for me is not just not me doing it, but I'm just sort of asking my students to demonstrate it to everyone. And it just makes so much more sense sometimes when we do it that way. So at least. Okay, now Shan is asking, how can we get it to be the same the next time? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is this. We're going to right click on the chart. So right click on the chart for me. Okay, right click on the chart. And then before you do that, what I want you to do, I want you to go up to the top, and where you see the two bars and a left arrow. To the right, no, to the right, yeah, to the right. Yeah, that's it. Click on that for me. So it's going to shift the chart to the end, yeah? Now, what I want you to do now for me, I want you to right click on the chart. Now, right click on the chart. Yeah, that's the chart area. And you're going to go to template. Scroll down, no, up to template. That's it. And you're going to go to save template. Go to save template. And then what you're going to do now for me, you're going to call it, give it a name, you know, Orchard, it's up to you. Give it a name. So I call it blank template because it's going to be a blank template. So let's type it blank template. Okay, template. Okay, now, so press save. Don't worry about the spelling, you know. Okay. Yeah, save it now. Yeah, that's it. Now, what I want you to do now for me, we're going to go to view. Go to view for me. And then you're going to click on Market Watch. And what we're going to do now, you're going to right click on the Aussie USD, which is a currency pair, the Australian currency versus the US dollar currency. Now go up to it. No, up to it. Then click, no, down. That's the Australian USD. Just click in there, click on it. And then what I want you to do is to right click on it. And then click on chart window. And that's how you get a new chart on the thing here. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to put our cursor onto this chart. And then you're going to right click on the chart. And then you're going to go to template. Go to template, go down, yeah, template. And then you're going to go to blank template. So then we don't have to do it again, you understand? Because all is going to be there for you, okay?
Yeah.
So once you've created a template, then it's up to, it will be there. Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Or do what I've just done without me telling you what to do.
Should I open another
yeah, tell me, click on a currency and then tell me the name of it.
Euro USD.
Euro USD, yeah. And what does that mean? If the euro is going up, what is that telling me?
The USD is going down.
Okay, and so if what would happen then if the USD was going up?
The euro would be going down.
Yeah, that's it. And remember, the one that you see at the front, the euro, it's the base currency. GBP, yeah, you've got GBP USD. So because GBP is the base currency, if GBP is going down, then the US dollar is going up. So the one at the start, like you have got the Russian ruble, that's the USD Russian ruble, yeah?
Yeah.
So the USD is going up, then Russian ruble is going down. If you see the chart, so for this chart now, you see here, what's the name of the chart that we're on now?
Australia US dollar.
We're on the Australia US dollar, right? So we're on the Australia US dollar, and basically, does this chart look like it's going up?
Yes.
So which currency is going down?
USD.
The US dollar is going down. Excellent, brilliant. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go onto the monthly time frame, because we sort of look at the monthly time frame, and then after looking at the monthly time frame, and guys, this is the homework that I want everybody to do now for me, okay? And then what you're going to do, I only want you to do it just for one market. For one market, because next week now I'm going to show, because we need to see how we go about putting on trades and all of those other things. Because some people I know can't wait to get to the point where they can put on trades and they can make decisions in terms of putting on a trade and so on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so and that's one of the most important. But obviously, what we've got to do though is we've got to first understand what we're doing, or else we're not going to make decisions that's gonna like have a positive impact on our account balance. So what we want to be able to do is to make good, solid decisions. Yeah. So let's have a look now, guys. So this is where we are now. It's a bit slow. When I open mine, it moves a bit faster. Yeah, that's the monthly time frame. That's the monthly chart. But to be honest, sometimes it moves. This is really moving slowly. Normally, I'm not sure. It's probably because there's never been on a monthly time frame. Then the data, because it's just loading the data, and it's going all the way to 2004. So from 2021 to 2003. So we've got lots of data. And what we're looking at now is the ebbs and flow of the data. And we're looking at what we call supply and demand zones, okay? So we're looking at supply and demand zone. So what we're gonna do now, you're gonna go up to now, so we've got data. It's still loading more data. Wow. Okay, we've got lots of data here. The more data, sometimes, you know, you can see how the market ebbs and flow, you know? You can see, like, even when we had that credit crunch and we had a crash and all of these other things, you know? But this is good. This is good. It tells us at least what's happening and we can see the bigger picture. So what you're gonna do now for me, guys, you're gonna now go up to insert. So go to insert for me. And then you're gonna go to indicator.
I don't have to write anything down. It's a larger house.
Okay, so then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to trend. Go down to trend, yeah. Go to custom indicator. Scroll down to custom indicator. No. Go to custom indicator. No, go back to back to the left, and then scroll down to custom indicator, and then go down, and then scroll down, and then go over to the left now. And then you're gonna go down to the bottom. No, go back to the left now, and then go down there. Yeah, that's it. And then you're gonna keep going, and then where you see that little down arrow, you're gonna click on it for me, please. Click on the down arrow. And then you're gonna go to zigzag. Okay, and then no, wait. What you're gonna do now? Yeah, right click on the chart now for me. Right click on the chart. And then you're gonna go to indicator. Okay, click on that. And you're gonna double click on zigzag color. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna basically go to common. And you're gonna allow modification of signal. And wait, don't click OK yet. Go to input. Okay, now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put change the 12 to 13.
You're not done.
So double click into 12.
Mom,
Yeah,
you're
And
not
then
done.
change to 13.
I'm gonna have to call.
And then go to color.
I'm gonna have to call him.
Okay,
first.
are you okay with well, the thing is that because our candles are already red, we don't really want that color. Of course, we're not going to really see it because we only put it on the monthly. So then what you're going to do now for me, you're going to basically click on the red color there. Click on that red color there. And we're going to change it to, we're going to just click in the color itself and click on the drop down now. Click on the drop down. And then you're going to change that to say, you tell me something that you like, that just, well, something that a color that you don't like. Tell me a color that you don't like.
Okay. Okay, light green.
No, we don't want any red or green. We want anything else apart from red and green. Because we don't want you to interfere with the colors on the chart.
Gainsborough, I don't know.
No, but that color probably won't be able to see on the black background.
Okay, dark khaki.
Okay, yeah, let's try that one. So that one means that it's going down. Now choose now. So click on, just click inside, just click anywhere there. And then click on the red now. Oh, actually, we wanted the red to be that. Or click on the red now, and we're gonna change red because red is something that we want something that you don't like. So click on the drop down for that one. And choose a color that you don't like. You know what? Choose yellow. Choose yellow. So yellow just means that it's going down, right? You know what? I'm not even sure if I want to use yellow means that it's going down. No, and then click outside of that. No, click outside of that. No, don't click OK. Just click outside. Click anywhere in there. Yeah. Okay. Change that other one. You know what? Change both of them to yellow. Change both of them to yellow. Change both of them to the same color. Just click back on the other one to the left. Click back on the other. Just click on it. Yeah, and then change it to yellow as well. And then we're gonna go to the width. Click on width. Yeah, double click in there now. And then click the drop down. And we're gonna make it about a thickness of 2. Okay, and then we're gonna go to visualization. And then we're gonna click on all time frame. Click on all time frame. Now we only want to see this on the monthly. So no. So click on uncheck minutes. No. Click on minutes. We don't want that. Click on hours. We don't want that. Click on daily. We don't want that. And click on week. Leave weekly for now. Yeah, and then click OK. Click OK. No. That's it. Leave those. Click OK. Right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put on, so click on close. So this now is what we're going to do now. We're going to update our chart now. Okay, so right click on the chart. I don't really like the yellow still, but I don't really like the yellow. We're going to go to template. Go to template. My color is blue, to be honest. My color is blue. You want to use blue? Do you want, hello? Archer, do you want to use blue? Hello? Archer, do you want to use the color blue? Are yellow is okay for you? Archer, can you hear me? Oh, yellow is yellow
Hello?
okay? Is yellow okay for you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Is yellow okay for you?
I'll change it to blue if you want.
No, I'm saying if it's okay for you, then I'm fine with it. Is it okay for
Yeah,
you?
it's fine.
Okay, brilliant. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna basically, right, zoom back out again. Just click on the plus X button up top there. Go back up to it. Left. No. The plus, there's a plus magnification button. To the right now, to the right, up. No, to the right. To the right, take your time. Yeah, stop there. No, to the left now, to the left, slightly. 1, 2, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So not too much. Make it so that we can see the chart a bit bigger. Let me see. And then what I want you to do, click on the chart, depress your cursor onto the chart for me and pull to the right. Let me see something. Pull to the right. Okay, so that's all the data. Yeah, brilliant. So yeah, that's it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put our supply and demand zones on the chart. Okay. Now, this is something that we've got to be aware of, because if something is very expensive, then people are going to want to sell it. If something is cheap, then people are going to want to buy it. Of course, we're talking about quality stuff. We're not talking about stuff that has no value, you know? So what you're going to do now for me, you're going to go to where you see that horizontal line there, where you see the horizontal line up, vertically upwards, up now, up again, and then not that one, yeah, that's the horizontal, yeah, that one, horizontal line. Click on it. Now, if you look now at this yellow line, it ebbs and flow. It goes up and down, right? So what you're gonna do now for me, you're gonna put your cursor, and you're gonna start from the left, from where you see the first yellow line. And up. Yeah, that's it. No, right. No, go back, left. Go back down, left. There. Click there for me now. Click there for me. Yeah. So that's your first line, right? Now the market then goes down from there. Show me where the market goes down from there to where. Excellent. So it goes where to that point? No, there. Excellent. So you're gonna get another line and put it there now for me, please. So go back up to your horizontal line again. And you're going to click on it, and you're going to do exact, no, leave that one. Yeah, that's it. And you're going to put it there. That's it, right? And then you're going to go, where did it go after? So you go all the way before you see turn again. At that point, well done. So that's where we're going to go now. So yes, so we're going to go and we're going to get another horizontal line there. Excellent. And then what happened to it after that? It went all the way down. Yes, we're going to put one there. Okay, now you can depress it and move it up if you want to, yeah? That's it. Excellent. Well done. Okay, and then what we're going to do now, we're going to put it now to where the point where it went to now. Where did it go next? Excellent. Well done. So that point there, we call that, you know, put my cursor at that point, we call that a supply zone, because that's where the market went, or we call that resistance. It's like a ceiling. The market went there and then turn around. Okay, so go back and get another horizontal line and put it there for me, please. Excellent, well done. And then where did it go after? All the way to that point. Now put that line on now for me, please. Okay, and then what we're gonna do now, the market went, oh, show me where the market went now. All the way up to there, before coming back where? There, and then before going back where? All the way up to there. So that's what we're doing now. We're putting on these ebbs and flow, the up and down of the market. Okay, so then what I want you to do now for me is to put the next line in that zone for me. Brilliant. I did, I thought you were gonna put it somewhere else, but well done. Excellent. Keep going. No, you see, yeah, that's it. Well done. Excellent. Well done. And then what happens to it next? Now, the thing is that, guys, you see, I can't, even though we won't be using this indicator per se, I still need you to understand about supply and demand zones. Because if you notice, if you go, just put that line on. Put that line on for me. Now, what I want you to go, I want you to go to the right, yeah? And if you look and stop there, yeah, there, up slightly to the next, yeah, that zone, yeah. You know there, right? If you look to the left, you can see like the market goes to that point back in the days there, but that point, yeah, there and there now. Can you see there, that point, that was when we had the coronavirus. That was when we knew about the coronavirus in March, yeah, of 2019. So the market collapses during the coronavirus, but then the market remember the old zones where it was before. Because to be honest, this is the Australian US dollar. Australia is a big country, the economy is good. So for a country like Australia, yeah, you're not going to expect that it's just going to drop and drop forever, because the market actually ebbs and flow, because there's Australia has got, they're buying products from China. Australia is buying products from America. America is buying products from Australia. Australia is selling product to UK and so on and so forth. There's a trade deal between all of these different countries. Now, if all of a sudden Australia currency get too high or too expensive, then nobody's going to want to do any deals with Australia, if that makes sense. So that's the reason why they have got to make sure that the currency is not just going to run and never stop, if that makes sense. Yeah. So that's the reason why we have these ebbs and flow. But we have got strategies that we can use to make money and to take, because remember, this market is over $1 trillion traded a day. And we can basically make some of that money. And I've been showing you on a weekly basis how I've been operating this thing. Now, what I would love you for you to do for me now for homework, this is what I would love for you to do for me for homework. I would like everyone now to put this indicator on the chart, right? And when you put this indicator on the chart, I would like you to write for me, and just one thing, right? Just put the horizontal lines on and put it at the turning point. And I want everybody to do the same currency pair. We're going to be doing the GBP USD. Actually, no. The best currency to use is the Euro USD. So your homework will be to do the Euro USD, and you're going to do it exactly like this. You can do a few more if you want to, so you can get the practice. But the one that I'm looking for in the homework, and everybody should be getting roughly the same thing anyway, because that's the reason I'm choosing the same pair, so everybody can see it, what it looks like. And then you're going to drop it into the Telegram chat, in the Telegram group. Okay? Now, that's all you've got to do. Now, I normally leave the last 10 minutes of the session for questions. Now, the best way, I think, is for you to, rather than you talking directly to me, and then other people can't hear, other people don't get a chance. If you type your questions for me in the chat, then I'll respond to them. But this is what I want you to do for homework. You're going to do it for the Euro USD. Okay? Now, type your questions in the chat, and then I'll respond to those questions for you. Aqua, is this chart using a different platform? No, let me tell you what I've seen today. the different accounts, there was an update to MetaTrader today. Yeah, it's no, there's an update today to MetaTrader. So I've seen a lot in my accounts. I've realized that they all look different. So there was some update that happened today. So that's the reason why a number of the charts look different. Yeah, but this is the I want you to do the Euro USD. It can be no, you can do it actually on an iPad. You can do it on a phone. You can do it on a mobile phone. But let me tell you something. If you're looking to make an extra income and you want to do it on a phone, you know, and let me tell you, I remember once, I was in a meeting, and but I had my phone, so I wanted to close out a trade, and you know what I did? I pressed the button, and the button put on a big size trade on. So I missed, but because I was in the meeting and I really couldn't, I couldn't really get out of that one. So anyway, I pressed out my mobile phone, I buy, but I end up losing, I think about £300-400. Just be careful if you're doing stuff on your phone. How can I change to GBP as I am trading? No, don't worry about that. That's just for now. It's just some of these accounts will only give you US dollar because they're demo account. When you go on to real account, then it will change to the GBP currency. So they won't really do a free GBP currency. They will do a US, because most, the US dollar is a global currency. And, that's the reason why the Americans initially were going against crypto. But the global currency of all currency, the biggest currency of all currencies, is the US dollar. Okay. Let me see if there are any other questions. Yeah, Aqua, yeah, that's it really. Guys, any other question? Any other question?
No.
Okay, right. So, what, guys, this meeting has been recorded. Make sure that we've got this bit within it. Get the work done, then send it to me in the Telegram chat. And then we look at it, and then remember it's Euro USD. And thank you again for your participation today. Really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you all